Hi everyone, so today we're carrying on with the server-side request forgery. This one is basically blacklisting input filters. So there'll be some kind of input filter. I don't know what it's filtered for yet, but we're doing the same. We're trying to access the local host, and we are on the admin panel and trying to delete user Carlos. So the developer has deployed 2 weekend. So, but what we're looking for is obviously they've got two defences in place. I've got to work out what they are. So all these are basically in the same place. So this is the part that kind of questions the server. So this API is basically grabbing the stock information. So this is where it's going towards the actual site itself. So this is what we've got to play with. I'll make this a bit bigger. So what they are asking us to do is access the local host. So /admin. So can we actually access the admin panel? No. So external stock check below for security reasons. Right, okay, so security reasons is obviously there's something wrong with it. So can we try actually using the local host number? Nope. So a nice little neat way of getting past the local host thing is kind of mess with this. So this actually is exactly the same as a local host, but it might not be checked for. Right, okay, so I'll keep that in place just for the sake of it. I know a lot of things check for URL encoding. If you looked at the previous API, is it still on the proxy? So the previous API requests, that's not right. Google, why are all these Google? Okay, that's weird. Don't have anything there, don't have anything there. Whatever. So go back to proxy, add requests, I'll just make a new one. Oh, it's been really weird this. Sure, apply. No, it's still not doing it, that's really irritating. Anyway, we've got the request to repeat, so it was previously had URL encoding here, so maybe we should try URL encoding the word admin, see if that works. Actually, we know we have to delete the user Carlos, so if we just add that, so then once it goes through, I know I've put that wrong, once it goes through then it'll actually work the first time. So maybe if we URL encode this, it might work. Although, actually thinking about it, because it already decodes URL on the other side, it'll find out. So maybe so another way of actually getting around this is twice. So it can still interpret URL code, the server, but to get around the actual filter first. So what would happen is this gets through the filter and turns to this, but then the server can still interpret this. So once it's through the filter, then obviously it's past the security, so then it can actually be sent. So if we change this to what that was, and understand it's a long string, this might be able to get around the server. Yeah, there we go. We've deleted the user Carlos. So there's the two security methods where they were looking for localhost. So although it's on localhost, they're looking for 27001, and they're also looking for the word localhost. So a good way to get around that is actually just use this. Most companies don't actually or sites don't actually think of doing this. And secondly, if you double URL encoding, gets through the security filters, and then executes the single URL encoded command, which can still be interpreted by the server, so it pushes through the server-side request forgery. So thanks everyone for listening.